While iPhones are relatively durable, dropping yours on a hot surface or directly on the screen could cost you an expensive repair or replacement, and with the $1,000 price tag, you might not be thinking of changing your device too often. Instead of paying a whole lot of cash for repairing your iPhone's cracked screen or going for a new phone entirely, it's better to get a durable case that is capable of protecting your precious phone from every external damage. That's why, in today's video, we are going to show you the top 5 best iPhone 13 series cases that you can use for drop protection. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Drop protection cases are usually ugly bulky as they have to provide 360-degree protection even in extreme scenarios, but not with the Casetify Ultra Impact Crush. This case is fully customizable and comes in a slim design while ensuring excellent drop protection. Made out of Tech 2.0, a shock-absorbing metal, these cases meet military standards and can keep your phone protected from drops up to 6.6 feet. This case provides protection in 3 layers. First of all, it's Tech material. Second, it has a lifted camera ring to protect the camera lens, and the raised bezel protects screens when dropped frontward. Plus, the sides are flexible and the back plate is hard, which makes the grip and fit ideal for a handheld device. These cases are Qi wireless charging compatible, which means you don't have to remove the case every time you need to charge your device wirelessly. So make your iPhone 13 even more personalized with the Casetify Ultra Impact Crush and ensure maximum drop protection like never before. When it comes to using skiing on your phone, you can't just ignore dBrand. Now they have also joined the case competition with their brand new grip case, which is made to offer excellent protection while preserving the sleek slimness of your iPhone. The grip case offers military-grade protection while being 2mm thick, which makes it one of the slimmest cases with excellent protection. It features a precise cutout for your ports and buttons to ensure your buttons feel as immaculate and natural as possible. Invisible to the naked eye, it features thousands of texture dots spanning the surface to make sure this case becomes one of the grippiest cases that you can lay your hands on. So if you're after quality, protection, and sleek looks, then the dBrand grip will go perfectly with your iPhone 13. Building on the foundation of Pathfinder, the UAG Plasma series adds a visually striking translucent honeycomb design and creates serious lightweight protection for your iPhone 13. With feather-light composite construction, it features impact-resistant bumpers with a shock-resistant armor shell to keep devices protected through all of life's adventures. With so much protection, this case can protect your phone from drops up to 16 feet, so that you can always stay free of worry and confident. Keep your iPhone protected while enjoying all the built-in whistles your phone has to offer with this Gear 4 Vancouver Snap, a durable case that offers you a competitive edge. This case is made with D30, a pliable, fixable material that hardens on impact, dissipating shock and protecting your device, which is also trusted by military, sports, motorcycle, and industrial professionals. It works with Apple's MagSafe charging system. With powerful magnets in the case, the charger snaps into place and aligns perfectly for fast wireless charging. It was designed for those long gaming sessions. It has a contoured design that fits comfortably in your hand and a textured surface for a sure grip. And it's got air vents that allow air to circulate. This case contains an antimicrobial agent with properties built in to protect your case by inhibiting the growth of odor-causing bacteria and guarding against degradation from microorganisms. Powerful protection does not have to be bulky. The slim design of Vancouver Snap allows your device to fit easily in your pocket and look stylish in your hand. Switch it up, swap it out, and express your style with the Otter Box Pop Symmetry, a unique case that is perfect combination of style and durability that you'll definitely enjoy. Featuring Otter's latest Drop Plus technology, it can endure 3 times as many drops as the military standard test, and its pop grip is well integrated into the case for a slim look that slips easily into pockets. With this pop grip, you will be able to firmly hold your iPhone 13 while one-handed texting or snap better pics and watch videos hands-free. Even if your phone slips off your hand, the case is durable enough to protect it from bumps and damages. Besides, it comes with raised edges for protecting the camera and screen. Even with such durability, OtterBox has made the iPhone 13 case wireless charging compatible. so you don't have to face the hassle of removing the cover every time you charge your device wirelessly. All in all, the iPhone 13 Otter Plus Pop Symmetry is undoubtedly an excellent case for protecting your iPhone 13 from all the outer damages. So that was all about the top 5 best drop protection case for iPhone 13. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.